Before doing this task, I'd like to show you what are PRs and how we use them. So if you go to this repo, so just imagine you're working in an organization and this is the repo you're working on. So maybe you're a DevOps engineer. You're gonna clone this repo with the command git clone and clone it. So once you clone it, open. So we open it in Terraform. Oh, sorry, VS Code. So this is the Terraform code. We are modifying it. So what I'm going to do, if you look at the branch, if you run the command git branch, so it has only main branch. So in real time, what we do actually, main branch or main or master branch, this branch usually contains up-to-date code or working code or production code. So whenever you want to do changes, we don't do changes in the main branch. We create a branch, we cut a branch from main branch, and then we make changes, and then we raise a PR pull request, and then someone else in your team is going to check your code, and once they're satisfied with it, they're gonna approve it, and then you can merge it. So that's how it works in reality. So let's do that in action. So your team wants to add some more code. For instance, for the sake of this example, we are going to add a second VPC, for instance. So that could be prod VPC. Okay, let's say prod VPC, and then you made changes. Actually, we need to create a branch first, so my bad. So if you run the command git status, let me maximize this. Okay, run the command git branch. So first we need to create a branch actually before making any changes. Now run the command git checkout -b. This creates a branch at the same time checks out. That means switches to the new branch. So we usually have some naming convention. So as per your organization's policy, you can do that. So I'm working in infra team, so I can put infra and then something else, VMs, I could say. So just for the sake of example. So once you do that, if you run the command git branch again, now you can see a new branch and you switch to that branch. Now what you can do, you can add your code. So I'm just gonna duplicate this and then say prod VPC. So once you're done, and then add it, and then commit it, add prod VPC. So once you're done, and then push it, git push origin, and the branch name is that's it. So once you push that, you're gonna get your new branch here. So then you can go to PR pull request, new pull request, and then it's going from our INF VMs branch to main branch, and then create a pull request, create it. So once you create it, even you can assign reviewers as well. At the moment, I'm the only person working in this branch, so I don't see anyone here. But in production, I mean, if in an organization, you usually have others, so you can assign a reviewer. So once they log into their Git account, if they click on PR, they can see it. They can see the pull request, and if they are happy with the changes, they click on here to look changes and then review changes, and they usually approve it. So I myself created, but that's the reason this has been grayed out. So let's jump back to this task. Now we need to connect it to a storage server with the max user. So let's do that. SSH space max @ststort01. with the password. So you can see that it's been cloned already. And if you run the git status command, you don't see any things, because if you run the command git log hyphen one line, so they added already story, and it seems they might have posted. So let's log into Gitea user with the username Max and put the password. Oh, that's not the password. Password is this one. If you scroll down, you can see it here. So Max and password. So once you log in, go to the repo and click on new pull request, or click on here and then new pull request. This goes from this branch to master branch, Sarah master branch, okay, and then new pull request, and the pull request title should be this one. So add the I think we added that. Is there any description? No. And the destination master. So before we can add our story to the master branch, it has to be reviewed. That's what we did earlier. So let's put a reviewer as well. First request, just create a request now. So we create a pull request. You can add a reviewer, Tom. Yeah, Tom is our reviewer now. So that looks fine now. Now log out. Now Tom is going to sign in. Tom underscore pass123, I think. Yeah, that's the one. You can find it here. Now he goes to our PRs. Yeah, you can see. Now Tom can see the PR. He goes here and he looks at it. He's going to check what files have been changed, okay. And then once he's happy with it, what he's going to do, he clicks on review and approves it. And then here you can see review and merge it. Great stuff. The story has been merged. Maybe you can write a comment as well. Actually we approved it, so we can merge it. You can write something in it, just merge it. Yeah, it's been merged now. Now you can delete this branch if you don't want it. If you go to story black, now you can see add fox and grape story. Now check task results. It's been done. That's how we use PRs. So nobody says pull request, just says PR. Thank you so much for watching.